In this video, we will show you how to change wiper blades on Volkswagen Touareg. Press the button to remove the wiper. Fit the slim top clip on the arm. Attach the new wiper. Repeat the same steps on the other side. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to leave us a like.